Beautify your home with custom design window treatments from Lewrene Interiors.
Visit LewreneInteriors.com.
This is a blizzard. The blizzard of 93. This is from Jonathan's room. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but there's thunder, actual thunder. And we lost our power at about 12 noon, got it back at 1:30. The snow, this is a Saturday, by the way. It started sometime after midnight. Yesterday was a beautiful day. No sign of this whatsoever. We canceled a trip to Hershey because everybody was prognosticating the snow. And what are you yelling about, young man? What are you yelling about? Haven't you ever seen a blizzard before? Did you know what a blizzard's about?
Your local 36-hour forecast from the National Weather Service.
And what are you doing? And what are you doing, young man?